In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a title to Apple Notes. We will walk through two simple ways to do it on your iPhone. First, let us use the quickest option, where the first line of your note becomes the title. Open the Notes app on your iPhone. You will see your list of existing notes, sorted by date, with a search bar at the top so you know you are in the right place. Now tap New Note, or if you prefer, open an existing note from the list. When you tap New Note, a blank page opens with the keyboard ready at the bottom and the cursor blinking on the very first line at the top of the screen. Type your title on that first line. For example, you might write Trip to Japan or Grocery List. Once you finish typing, look at the top of the note list briefly. You will see that same line appear bold as the name of the note when you go back. After that, press Return on the keyboard and start writing the rest of your note on the second line. As soon as you move to the next line, everything you type now is treated as the body of the note, not the title. If you scroll back to the list of notes, only that original first line shows as the title there. Now, remember, Apple Notes automatically treats that first line of a new note as the note title. You do not need to press any extra buttons or save anything. A common beginner mistake is adding a blank line above the real title. If you do that, the blank line becomes the title in the list, so always start your note right away with the words you want as the title. Next up, let us look at the second option, using formatting to create a visual title style inside a note. Open the note where you already have some text written. You will see your existing lines, maybe a trip plan or a task list, filling part of the screen. Select the text you want to use as the title style. Press and hold on a word, then drag the selection handles so the whole line you want is highlighted. Once you see the highlighted text, the editing menu appears above it. With that ready, tap the Format button labeled AA in that editing menu. A small panel slides up from the bottom or appears above the keyboard, showing several text styles. You will see options such as title, heading, subheading, and body. Now tap Title in that style panel. The selected text immediately becomes larger and bolder on the screen. This does not change which line appears in the notes list. It only changes how that text looks inside the open note, which helps you spot the main section at a glance. From there, you can also choose heading or subheading for sections within the note. Use heading for main sections like flights or hotels, and subheading for smaller parts inside those sections, such as check-in details. Everything else can stay as normal body text. Tip time. The first line you type in a note is the real note title that appears in your notes list. A title formatting style that you apply later is only for layout and organization inside the note itself and does not replace that list title. You have now learned how to set the real note title using the first line and how to style text inside the note as a title for clearer structure. If this helped you organize your notes, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Apple Notes tips.